Picture this, you're curled up in a linen armchair with a cup of Earl Grey tea. The morning sun is filtering through sheer curtains, catching the gold leaf on the spine of a vintage poetry book. Your home feels like a sun-drenched library in Oxford, but without the centuries of dust or the damp chill of a stone castle. Now, look, I know we all fell in love with dark academia a few moments ago. We wanted the moody charcoal walls, the heavy velvet, and the secret society vibes. But let's be real for a second. The spouse factor. Your spouse or partner might not appreciate living in a room that feels like a Victorian funeral parlour. And what about the kid factor? You don't want your toddlers refusing to go into the living room because it's too scary or haunted. That's where light academia saves the day. It keeps the intellectual soul, the books, the art, the history, but swaps the gloom for cream, beige, and soft oak. It's sophisticated, but you can actually find your car keys in the dark. But before I go any further, g'day and welcome to Homeward, and I'm Toby Anderson, and I'm a bold Australian interior designer. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the flow secret. Same palette, different vibes. One of the best things about this style is how it handles transitions. You don't need a theme for every room. You need a narrative flow. Imagine walking from a light academia living room into a French provincial dining area. Because both styles lean on a palette of whites, creams, and warm tones, the transition is seamless. You're staying within the same color family, just changing the accent of the room. It makes your home feel expansive and intentional, rather than a collection of disconnected boxes. So, how do you achieve this look without breaking the bank? This is my favorite part. You don't need a professor's salary to pull this off. And while we love a good op shop find, you can actually build this look with new budget-friendly pieces if you know what to look for. Let's talk about the walls. So you can skip the expensive wallpaper. A coat of antique white or warm linen paint does 90% of the work for the price of a tin. And if you want that library look, you don't need built-ins. Use standard flat pack white bookshelves, but add brass picture lights at the top. It instantly elevates the cheap wood to scholarly. Let's talk about texture. Look for cotton or linen blend throws in oatmeal. Discount department stores often carry these. Just avoid anything with a shiny synthetic finish. The art. You can print public domain botanical sketches or vintage maps from the internet. And then all you have to do after that is just pop them into a slim gold frame from a craft store. You're essentially costume designing your home. You're looking for things that look like they have a story, even if they actually came from a flat pack box yesterday. It's about the curation, not the cost. So are you ready to trade the shadows for some sunshine? What's the one room in your home that feels the most cluttered right now? Could it be the perfect candidate for a light academia refresh? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Be bold, be inspired, and be homeward in your home, and I'll see you in the next video.